Hello friends, welcome back to our 30 days of HTML learning series. I am Suresh. Today is the day 6 form controls and validation. Today we will learn how input fields can automatically check user data like email format and password rules. This is really important skill for real world forms. HTML offers many input types. Some examples: email, password, number, date, etc. The browser automatically gives right keyword and validation. As part of this HTML5 concern, we can make fields required using required attribute. We can set minimum length patterns like strong password rules. If user enters wrong format, browser shows warnings. Very helpful. Let's build a small login form with validation. Welcome back coders for day 6 forms basics for HTML series. What we do is today we upgrade our forms with the smarter inputs and built-in validations. Learn how to use type equal to email, type equal to password, type equal to date, along with required, min length, max length, and pattern to validate user input without JavaScript coding. Actually these are the things inbuilt in HTML5. We will build a simple login sign up style form and see how browser helps us validate fields. Let us see. You do just exclamatory enter. It gives you the basics of HTML document format. You go to the inside body, create one form. Our task is small basic login form. For that, what are the fields are required? Email and password. These are the two keys required. So first we'll create a label equal to email, and I'm just closing this label, and the close quote of label will appear automatically. I just type email. Email label is written. Okay, there should be a placeholder. There should be a user must input the email. For that, what we do put input tag should be there. Input and ID equal to, these are the formats. Email name equal to email, type equal to email, and required you must put. So these are the parameters you should put. Okay, these are the things it will restrict. See here email equal to name, that name is identified. ID equal to email and type equal to email. Okay, it required means user must fill this item, otherwise it will not allow you to submit the form like that. Okay, so here you have to put one more thing, placeholder. Okay, placeholder equal to you whatever the format you can give you example.com, and just close the angle bracket. This is one. Okay, and I need to put one more thing that is actually button for submit. For that I do one thing, this I create within the div, in which I will just button, that is button, that button type equal to, okay. So quickly what we do is we simply save this and just run, open with the live server. Email is showing here. Email is showing here. Okay. Here the format is at yahoo.com. Okay. When the user clicks login, will accept. But we require one more thing is password, right? So for password, you have to create one more div tag. Just copy this. Okay. Password, you just type password. Label is created. An input ID is password. A name equal to password. What we do is placeholder. We have to mention what you want to mention. So you may say your password. Okay, your password. Now what we do is I simply save. You see here automatically changes. You see here it's allow you to open, allow you to type email, and password. See, password whatever you type, it will give you as a symbol only. Okay, whatever you type, it will give you this symbol. So why means we have given type equal to password. The JavaScript is inbuilt in HTML5. No need to put JavaScript separately for this. Okay. Now you see it is allowing. It's allowing so many characters. Okay. What to do is we must restrict this. For that, minimum length, maximum length is returned. So here you say min length equal to 5, max length equal to say 10. Now if I save it, it started acting that. So I say sureshvara@yahoo.com. So basic validation is minimum 5. I tried to 4. Just give 4. That is less than the minimum. Type, please lengthen this text to 5 characters. It clearly says you are currently using 4 characters. So in that way, the validation is restricted here. Okay, basic validation. So why he put type email? No? If I type instead of email format, if I type this, I say okay, and then say login. It gives you @ symbol. Please include an @ in the email address. These are the validations. So for input ID, you are giving type equal to email. This validation @ we will see. It will see inside the input of the from the users. If it is not there, it will clearly indicate this error form. Okay. So actually you have done the basic form today. Try to do some of the forms. Okay. Try to do yourself some of the basic forms like this. Keep practicing. That's all today's presentation for day 6. Thank you. Now your forms protect users from entering bad data. Let's quickly review what we learned today. Use correct input types. Built-in validation that is equal to less JavaScript. Error messages shown automatically. Better user experience and security. The built-in validation, instead of writing a JavaScript, it has the built-in validation. That is a new feature in HTML5. Now, homework time. Create a registration form with username, email, phone number, password with rule, at least 8 characters. Try using pattern for phone numbers too. Show me your results in comments. I am expecting that. You did an amazing job today. Next video, day 7, audio and video in HTML. We will embed media on the web page. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and use hashtag AI code with Suresh. See you tomorrow. Bye.